आत्मज्ञानारम्भम्। मत्स्थितो आत्मतत्त्वं सर्वजीवात्मने स्थितम्. The self principle or self matter, that means the material that has created my soul, is the same as the self principle or self matter that has created the soul of every living being. And it is this matter which has consciousness. And that is why mat sthito, that means that which is within me. And what it is? Atma tattvam. Tattva is matter, material. Atma tattvam, material of self. Sarva jivatmane sthitam. Sarva is all. Jivatman is living beings. All the Jivatmans, all the souls of living beings. So the life principle in me is the same as life principle in every living being. Prakriti vikriti sarva mai eva vinirmitaha. Prakriti means the basic nature, the characteristics, the swabhav of anything, any person, any creation. And on the other hand, vikriti means deformity, vikar, vikrit. These kind of words are the ones from where the word vikriti has come. So vikriti is deformity, improper creation, errors in the creation, something that is wrong, something that is improper. So prakriti vikriti sarva, that means everything in the creation, both prakriti as well as vikriti. Mai eva vinirmita. Now what is this mai? Mai means myself. I have created both. Now who is this I? This I actually means the consciousness, the awareness, the soul consciousness of the soul material that is present in practically every one of us, every living being, every being. Why I am saying every being and not just living being? Because even the non-living beings, I am calling them as being, means objects, they also have some kind of a consciousness which is not as subtle and as active as the consciousness of you and I, of we people, but they also have consciousness and they do express their consciousness from time to time if we are attentive enough about it. So, prakriti vikriti sarva mai eva vinirmita means that inner consciousness, the soul within every one of us, the self within every one of us, that self matter has created both good and bad, proper and improper, normal and defective, correct and incorrect. Every type of creation is created and manifested by this I, myself, me. And remember, henceforth, whenever we are talking about I, my, aham, that means I, myself, we are referring to the soul matter that is present in every one of us. That means even every listener should understand that I is also within the listener. You just have to awaken it. Just get that very clearly. We are the creators of good and bad, right and wrong, appropriate and inappropriate, normal and deformed things and events that happen around us.